Hey, what if I told you there is a one skill that can transform your career, automate your tasks, and bring your wildest tech ideas to life? Meet Python, the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, from building top notch AI models to scraping data from web like a pro. Yeah, Python is the secret weapon behind some of the most craziest innovations today. But here is a twist, it is so simple that a complete beginner can learn Python and just start coding in minutes. So, are you curious to know why Python is the talk of the tech world? So, just stick with me. I'm going to reveal some crazy details about Python and also going to share some crazy resources which can help you to learn Python and transform your career to a next level. Do you know Python have more than 15 million users worldwide, which reflects its widespread adoption and active development. And the most fascinating thing about Python is the 40% of Python users are young professionals, which are aged between 21 and 29. So now the question is why most of the tech professionals are considering Python. It has very simple and easy answer. Python is easy to understand and learn. It can be used in variety of fields just like web development, data science and analytics and AI ML, and it has a massive library support and also have a strong community and resources. And it is a future proof language and it is an evolving language. That's why the most of the tech professionals are considering Python. Now, one of the major use case of Python is in AI ML. Python dominates in AI ML due to its simplicity and advanced tools. It is used in NLP, natural language processing. It is also used in image recognition, speech recognition, and recommendation system. Let me give you an example. Tesla cars used Python-based ML models for their decision making. So alright guys, the first course in our list is an absolutely gem. Anyone looking to learn Python from scratch, the Ultimate Python course by Code with Harry. This is the one of the best beginner friendly course out there, and the best part, it is completely free. It is a free playlist available on YouTube. Now one unique thing about this course is it is taught in Hindi. So if you are someone who is more comfortable learning in Hindi, so this course is perfect for you. Harry Bhai's teaching style is super engaging. He breaks down complex topics into simple and easy to understand explanations. The playlist contains a hopping 100 lectures, yes 100. It covers everything from Python basics to advanced concepts, and you will also get to work on problem sets and real world projects along the way. So by the time you finish this course, you will not only know Python but also have some solid hands-on experiences. So if you are a beginner looking for a structured and detailed Hindi taught Python course, this is definitely the one to go for. I highly recommend checking it out. Just head to YouTube, search for the Ultimate Python Crash Course by Code with Harry, and you good to go. Alright guys, moving on the next course on the list. This one is all about diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. This course is AI Python for beginners, and trust me, this is a game changer. If you are someone who is curious about AI and wants to explore the possibilities with Python, this course is perfectly made for you. In this course, you are going to learn about AI and how you can integrate AI with Python. This course is offered by deeplearning.ai, as you can see on the screen, and the instructor of this course is Andrew NJ, who himself founded deeplearning.ai. This course is packed with 4 well-structured modules and offers a total 17 hours of content, as you can see on the screen. It is designed to take you step by step through the concepts of AI, starting from the basics and gradually moving into the more advanced topics. As now you can see on the screen, if we scroll down, you can see that there are 4 modules in this course, and these 4 modules cover basics of AI Python coding, automating tasks with Python, working with your own data and documents in Python, and the 4th module covers extending Python with packages and APIs. So now let's talk about who this course is for. If you already have some basic understanding of Python and eager to get started with AI, this course is perfect for you. It's not a beginner level like the previous one. This is more focused on those who wants to enhance their skills and explore AI specific applications using Python. As for benefits, by the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation in AI concepts like machine learning, natural language processing and neural networks and more. You will also get a hands-on experience with some amazing projects, which is a huge plus because it helps you build a portfolio and prepare for the real world applications. So if you are passionate about AI and ready to take your Python skills to the next level, trust me, those 17 hours of learning will totally worth it. Now let's talk about another amazing course on our list, Python for Everybody. As you can see on screen, this course is offered by none other than the University of Michigan, and it is taught by the renowned instructor Dr. Charles Servants. And this is actually a complete program that consists of 5 individual courses, and together they are designed to help you to build a solid foundation in Python programming. Let me break down that these 5 courses cover so you can exactly what you are getting. Just if we scroll down, you can see that there are total 5 courses included in this course or this specialization. In the course 1, you are going to learn programming for everybody. This is where it all begins. You will learn the absolute basics of programming and how to write the first lines of Python code. It is perfect for beginners with no prior experience. In the course 2, which is Python data structures. In this module, you will dive into the core data structures in Python, like lists, dictionaries, and tuples are the building blocks of writing efficient Python programs. In the course 3, using Python to access web data. Here things get even more interesting. You will learn how to scrap data from the websites, read and write files, and interact with web APIs. Skills that are super useful for data analysis and web development. In the course 4, using databases with Python. This module focuses on integrating Python with databases. You will learn how to use SQL and how Python can work seamlessly with databases, systems like SQLite. In the course 5, capstone, retrieving, processing and visualizing data with Python. Finally, you will apply everything you have learned to hands-on projects. You will work on retrieving data, processing it and visualizing it with tools like matplotlib, giving you practical experiences. Now, who is this course for? Now, this is mainly designed for the absolute beginners who wants to start their programming journey with Python and gradually build up their skills to tackle more complex tasks like data analysis and web scraping. As for the benefits, by completing this course, you will not only have a solid understanding of Python programming, but also gain practical skills in data handling, APIs, and scraping and databases management. Plus, having a certificate from a prestigious institution like University of Michigan can add great value to your resume. So if you are looking for a step-by-step beginner-friendly program that takes you from zero to hero in Python, Python for Everybody is the way to go. Trust me, this course truly lives up to its name. So now let me share one of the most underrated but incredibly powerful resources for learning Python, Python documentation. If you are serious about mastering Python, the official documentation is goldmine of information. So what exactly Python documentation is? It is a comprehensive guide that contains everything about Python, from basic concept to advanced features. It divides into different sections, making it super organized and easy to navigate. Let me break down it for you. It has total 5 sections. The section 1 is tutorial section. This is perfect for beginners. It walks through the basics of Python step by step. You will learn about variables, loops, functions, and other core concepts in simple, straightforward manner. The second section is library references. Ever wondered what functions or tools available in Python? This section lists all built-in libraries and modules Python offers with detailed explanation on how to use them. The third section is language references. If you are someone who like to dive deeper into technicalities, this is for you. It explains how Python works behind the scenes, covering syntaxes, semantics, and core functionalities. And the fourth section is FAQs and how tools. This section is great for troubleshooting and quick solution to the common problems. And the fifth section is glossary and index. If you are stuck on a term or want to find something specific, the glossary and index are super helpful for quick navigation. Now, who should use Python documentation? Honestly, everyone. If you are a beginner, it's a great place to understand Python, and if you are an experienced developer, it's your go-to reference for solving problems and exploring advanced topics. The biggest benefit of using Python documentation is that it helps you to develop the habit of self-learning instead of relying on tutorials all the time. You will learn to solve problems independently and explore more features you didn't even know existed. So how do you access it? Simply just search for Python documentation online or go to this link, bookmark it. It's a resource you all come back to over and over again. Trust me, Learning to navigate and use Python documentation is a skill itself. It will make you a much better programmer. So make it a habit and let documentation guide you on your Python journey. How you can audit all these courses for free. In the end of the video, you will get the direct link of my previous video in which I explained how you can audit all these courses for free. So in the end of the video, don't forget to check it out. That's it for today, guys. I hope you all found these courses helpful and now you have a better understanding from where to start your learning journey for Python. To make it super easy for you, I have added all the courses I mentioned in the video down in the description box. Just click on them, check out the courses and start learning right away. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with someone who might find it helpful. And do subscribe to my channel.